Now let's create a new Excel workbook. There's a couple of ways that we can create new Excel spreadsheets. First and most common is when you open up Excel, it takes you to it, and then with our newly populated quick access toolbar, what we can do is we can hover over our new icon, and then if we hover over it, we get a tooltip there that says Control+N. So I can either click this icon and look there, book 2 is open. Alternatively, from the keyboard, I'm going to press and hold the control button, and then while pressing and holding the control button, I'm going to press the N button, keyboard shortcut Control+N, and that opens up a new workbook, book 3. Alternatively, what I could do, I can go to the backstage, and then from the home tab I can click on blank workbook, and it opens up another workbook. From there, alternatively, I can go back into the backstage, click on file, and then let me find where it says new, and then I can open up a blank workbook there as well. So as you can see, there are quite a few ways on how you can start and open a new Excel worksheet.